The Bronx in the 1960s was a nice working-class neighborhood until a bad element moved in, pushing working-class people out. Vicious gangs attacked people for anything of value at night, but the worst hazard was those who were torching buildings. Setting traps to prevent firemen from doing their jobs and put them in danger, this phenomenon became the worst in the South Bronx between 1966 and 1978. Burning buildings led to thousands being relocated and hundreds of firemen being hurt or dying before their time. Author Joseph F. Maraglino is one brave fireman who was injured in the line of duty, who's now shedding light on this period in history in the forgotten war, fire, and death.